Namaste everyone. My name is Gopal Gokulraj and I study in 8th grade in Pune Pramati School. Today I will explain about the aerodynamics of paper planes and how different forces and different principles affect it while it flies. So first I'm going to talk about the four primary forces which affect a plane. They are thrust, drag, gravity and lift. So first thrust. Thrust is the initial force which you put by your hand, which is the muscular force. While drag is the force which opposes it, which is caused by the friction between the air molecules and the surface of the plane, which is also called fluid friction. As in science, fluid is the common name for both liquids and gases. Next is gravity, and the force opposing it is lift. Lift acts according to a principle called Bernoulli's principle, which I will explain now. So the Bernoulli principle is a principle which talks about mostly about lift. So it explains how the pressure of a fluid, in this case air, varies with its velocity. According to this principle, in a steady flow, the increase in velocity of a fluid results in a decrease in pressure. That means velocity and pressure are inversely proportional to each other. That means the air moving faster at the top of the wings will create a low pressure area, while the air which is moving up relatively slower beneath the wings will create a high pressure below the plane. That will cause the plane to lift upwards, and then therefore it will stay in the air for longer time. The next one is Coanda effect. So Coanda effect refers to a tendency of fluid to follow the contours of the surface instead of flowing straight. So in this paper plane, it means that if the surface is slightly curved, the air will flow along the surface instead of flowing directly in a straight line above it. This is important for explaining stability and trajectory, because when the air flows above the wings, the plane surface curves. The airflow adheres to the surface due to the Coanda effect. Key points in relation to paper planes are: if the planes are designed with a slight curve, then that will make the air adhere to the plane's surface for a bit longer, resulting in more lift. So, nowadays airplanes are also designed in the same way. And also next one is Coanda effect can also influence the directional stability of the plane. If the plane's design allows air to flow smoothly over it, in other words, if the plane's design is aerodynamic, it will have lesser drag coefficient, so it will fly faster. Also the Newton's laws about the inertia, about acceleration and also about action reaction also affect the plane. Now I'll show you how it works. So that is how the plane works. Thank you.